Hi, this is Wagio Collins with the COM 50 class at the University of the Pacific. Today I will be teaching the viewer how to make a cake. First off, you will want to heat the oven that you're using for the cake to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will want to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how prepared you want the oven to be. Next, you want to prepare the pans. This means that you might have 2 to 3 pans depending on how many layers of cake you want, and in order to prepare said pans you might want to put butter in them or use Pam spray in order to make it so the batter won't stick when you're cooking it. Next, you will want to beat the butter and sugar in your recipe until fluffy and light. This will be required in order to make sure that the batter is well made and has the proper consistency. After that, you will want to add the eggs in your recipe once at a time into the bowl that has your mixture, which you already used in terms of adding butter and sugar. So that will make it so that you kind of just have your batter until at this point in time. After that, you will want to beat in half the flour, salt, baking powder, milk, and vanilla that you have, and make sure that you have a well-developed batter at this time. So this will make it so that, this is kind of like the first real part of making your cake, especially the layers of that cake. Once you have that batter made, you will want to divide the batter between your pans. You might again have 2 to 3 pans of which you are using, and once they are prepared with the butter or Pam or what have you, they're all ready for the batter. And that's just the step right before you beat in the remaining flour mixture and you beat it until really there is no more flour remaining. So you want to make sure that it's really thorough, there's an even consistency, etc., etc. Once you actually get to baking your recipe, again with the oven, you will want to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. This time limit, of course, varies because for me personally, when I used the recipe, I had to bake for an hour, and that was best. But it really depends on, for example, if you put the fork in the batter, whether any sticks to it, and if none does, then that means that the pound cake is ready. Once you have baked the layers of cake, you will want them to cool for 15 minutes in their pans respectively, and this will make it so that you have a nice solid pound cake to work with. It won't melt the frosting, but at the same time, it's easy to cut through. Finally, once cool, frost and assemble with buttercream. And the buttercream is made up of powdered sugar, butter, and milk. So once you just have your icing and once you have baked your layers of cake, just put the icing, wherever you choose is fit, and you will have your the model of the cake you wish. And you can decorate with fruit if you like, strawberries or raspberries or what have you. And after that, then you're ready to go, and you can use it for any occasion you wish, whether that be a birthday party or just any other sort of celebration. Again, thank you very much for listening. I hope you find the recipe convenient and easy. It's quite useful just to have on your hands in general. This is Wagio Collins at the University of the Pacific as a part of COM 50 for Communications Technology. Thanks again.